Let us start the exercise 2.1. Part first, state true or false. First statement is 1 millimeter is equals to 1 by 10 raised to power 8, or we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 kilometer. We can identify this statement is true. Correct this statement in case if the answer is false. See, conversion of millimeter to kilometer. See, we will write kilometer कहता है दिल मेरा डिग्री कब मिलेगी. Same example. Kilometer, hectometer, then decameter, then meter, then decimeter, then centimeter, then millimeter, and in same and within the difference is 10 all. If the process is forward, then it will be multiplied. If the process is backward, then it is division. Or we can say that if we will change bigger units to smaller, then it will be multiplied, and if we will change smaller to bigger units, then it will be division. See, we have to change millimeter to kilometer. Total tens are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 1 millimeter is equals to 1 by 10 raised to power 6 kilometer. So this statement is false. Correct answer is 1 millimeter is equals to 1 by 10 raised to power 6 kilometer. Next statement is 3 by 19 is equals to 19 by 3 raised to power minus 1. See, if any rational number having power, as I told you, 0 index, if any rational number having power 0, then it is equals to 1. If any rational number having power 1, then it is equals to itself. And if any rational number having a negative exponent, then it is converted with its reciprocal. See, it's p by 1. We have to convert into positive. How conversion into positive? 1 by p raised to power 1. So in that statement, 3 by 19, 19 by 3. If we will change 19 by 3, there is negative exponent. To change negative into positive, the terms will be reciprocal. So it becomes a 3 by 19. Yes, 3 by 19 is equals to 19 by 3. Exponent is minus 1. So that statement is true. Next is third statement is 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 can be written as 3 multiply 10 raised to power minus 7. This will be written as this. See, if we will solve this, as I told you, if any rational number having power negative, how it becomes positive? By the reciprocal of that number. 10 having reciprocal is 1 by 10. So we will write here 1 by 10 raised to power 7. Same thing. Or 1 by 10 raised to power 7, we will write 7 zeros. 3 multiply with 1, 3, and downside we will write as it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. So both are same. This statement is true.